Yo, we back down here, man, and we pressing for time, so we'll make this quick. I lost one of my GoPro batteries, and I didn't have but two, so now I'm down to one battery on my GoPro. Now I gotta do this. I gotta figure this out, cause I'm gonna need that battery, and I don't know where. I set it down. It ain't in the car, so I don't know. Hopefully, it'll pop up somewhere. But yeah, we back down here at the shop, man. Back down here with MayRose. Let me see. Yep, the car is completely on the ground. The car's completely on the ground, man. We gotta go ahead and get a measurement on this drive shaft. So let me go ahead and do that. I guess this is the wear mark that Damien was talking about. I'm gonna put it over here though. It's good light. Yep, I'm assuming that's the wear mark he was talking about. Got some rust on this thing. Wear mark right here, but yeah, I gotta go ahead because I gotta get another U-joint. That U-joint broke, so let me go ahead and try to get a good measurement on this thing real quick, man, and I'm gonna hit y'all back because I gotta go and drop this off so they can cut it, and yeah, so we can be, look at that thing, so we can be on point, man. Gonna get this thing together. So yeah, I'm still looking for this GoPro battery, man, because how the hell did I lose this battery? I don't understand. I've seen some tape measures in here. I know I did. Yeah, let me go ahead and do this, man, and I'll hit y'all right back. Alright, y'all, so it ain't taking me that long, about an hour and some change, because I was trying to, I've never measured drive shaft before. I've never done this before, so it took me a little minute. I had to call some people, you know what I'm saying, to try to get myself together on that. But we got the drive shaft measured, I think. I'm gonna take it up here to the place to get it cut, to see if this is right. I'm still looking for my battery, man. Yeah, we're gonna take it up here, man, to see if it's right. Hopefully it is. If not, then, which it should be. I think I got it. I think I got it right on to a T, man. So I think everything good with that. So yeah, it won't be long, man. We're gonna try to be moving this thing around. Get some fourth cord out this thing. Gotta get a wash first though, a major wash. But other than that, man, yeah. Let me cause I gotta go to work. So let me go ahead and get myself together, so I can lock up in here, drop the drive shaft off, and get to work. Yeah. Guess I'll leave the hood up. I ain't doing nothing else. Yeah. I need to order me some ground wires to I know I got plenty of dirt on my head, man. Yeah, I still need to order them ground wires to get that stuff there taken care of. But anyway, y'all, let me go ahead and do what I gotta do. Hit y'all right back. Yo, what's happening, man? It's your dog, Big Below, Mr. Animal himself. Man, I'm coming to here. Just look, I'm just heading to make my own little commercial real quick, man. Hey, look, if you haven't already, I know y'all done seen the new face of the channel. You know what I'm saying? They got that join button up there. Man, hey, go ahead and explore that join button, man. Become a member of the BeeloNation, man. We got 3 levels, $2.99, $6.99, and $9.99. We got Nation, we got Big Nation, and we got Ain't Mine Gang. You know what I'm saying? They all have their separate perks, which Ain't Mine Gang has its own perks, and all of the perks from the other 2 tiers. So yeah, man, if you haven't done that already, go ahead and explore that join button, man, and yeah, enjoy those enjoy some of these nice perks, man, that your dog gonna set out for y'all, man. But yeah, that being said, man, let's get back to the video. Yo, what's happening, man? We back. Y'all see where we at? Y'all see what's happening? Back at the shop, man. Need to give me something to drink, but no, well, I drank me a beer. I'll drink me a beer, man. Grab me a beer right fast. Damn, ain't one more big one? Alright, I'll get a pony then. Give me a pony. Yeah, man. The day has come. So I can, the day has come, man. We can go ahead, do what we do. The dry shaft is finished. The dry shaft is here. Got me a new U-joint on there. Dry shaft been shortened. We about to go up with this thing, man. About to go ahead, drop the dry shaft in here, and yeah. I need to get me something to eat though, boy. I'm hungry. I ain't gonna even lie to you. But yeah, finna go and drop the dry shaft in, man. I think I measured it correctly. Even if I'm off a little bit, I think I still got enough room to do what I need to do. Yeah. Oh, I found my other GoPro battery, man. We're just gonna say RIP to it. I think the dryer got a hold of it. I think it must have been in my other clothes, even though I checked my other clothes that I had on when I was working on the car. I guess I still didn't feel the battery or whatever, so I think the dryer got a hold to the battery, man. I found it. It was, matter of fact, it was on the floor by the dryer. Picked it up. I was like, oh, there was my battery right here. Tried to put the battery in the camera, man. The battery was swollen a little bit. Alright, so that right there is an indication that it's over with. So yeah, but I got some stuff coming, so hopefully I'll be able to manage without that. So yeah, before we get too deep into this video, man, you know what I'm saying, this right here, it ain't a new video. I don't know how many parts of the video this is, but it ain't a new video. But I just want to say thank you to everybody, man, watching this video. Thank you to everybody under the sound of my voice right now. Thank you for being here, watching the videos, liking, commenting. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. If you're an old subscriber, existing subscriber, man, thank you so much for being here. You know what I'm saying? Taking y'all time watching me when y'all could be watching anything. It's a million of us on YouTube, man, that does the same thing. Cars, talk a lot, all that right there. It's a million of us that do that. Y'all chose me. I really appreciate that. So shout out to y'all. So now, man, let me go ahead and go ahead, get up under this car. I gotta change my clothes. Go on, get up under this car, man. Put the dry shaft up in here, and that's gonna be it for today. So yeah, let me go and do that. I'll hit y'all right back. Yeah. All right, y'all, dry shaft is in. The dry shaft is in, man. Y'all see how them cut the lights off? It's over with. Dry shaft in. So shit, I'm finna go ahead and call it a night, man. I got that done. That's what I wanted to get done. Dry shaft in. I'll come back at another time, probably tomorrow or another day, to finish up what else I gotta finish up. Let's see, what else do I gotta finish up? I gotta put this transmission stick in, this dipstick in. Like I said, I gotta do them grounds for them fans. I got dirt all in my damn hair. What else? Fans. I want to do them grounds on that motor, and I gotta figure out this this AC bracket, man. Why it's eating my belt up? Gotta figure that out. Other than that, we are all good. So I'm gonna probably I'm gonna have to figure something out with that. I'm gonna have to put a wash on it or something. I'm gonna have to do something, or just have to buy another one. I ain't sure, but we're gonna figure that out. But yeah, man, I'm finna go ahead and get up out of here. I'm gonna check my files, man, to see what we got going on. I might end the video here. So if I do end the video here, it's your dog, Big B-Lo, Mr. Iron Man himself. I'll catch y'all in the next one, man. If not, then I'll see y'all in a minute.